We are going to Fogueira restaurant.
So guys, come, I will show you the buffet. Sweet section. So guys, this is Brazilian traditional frying item.
Faiza, how's the food?
Food is very good and so yummy.
This is cassava chips.
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाज़रीन द शेफ्स वे में आबिद शरीफ आपको खुशामदीद कहता है वेलकम मरहबा तो राइट नाउ वी आर हियर इन जुमेरा बीच रेजिडेंस and we are going to Fogueira restaurant. There is one of Brazilian best restaurant in Dubai, and we will talk with the chefs also, and we will see the buffet and we will show you the buffet what they are providing. I eat before this very good restaurant, and we will give you the comment today also what they are providing and how the food and everything we will show you. Let's go with us to the restaurant. So there is a soup and there is a garlic rice and beef, beans with beef and lasagna, and there is a roasted vegetable. This is the desserts, you can see. This is a traditional desserts from Brazil, and you will find here traditional Brazilian food from here.
So guys, come, I will show you the buffet. There is a traditional Brazilian food, and this is a sweet section. This is a all food Brazilian. I'm not like Brazilian food, but this is so yummy. So guys, this is Brazilian traditional frying item. So see this, very good. Now we will show you the Brazilian grill. So come, follow me.
Fogueira restaurant buffet was very good, and we enjoy, and the environment is very good. We are here in the terrace. It's on a 35th floor in this building. Faiza, how's the food?
Yes, food is very good and so yummy and tasty. I'm fully enjoy the food.
Actually, my missus, she's telling I don't like the Brazilian food. I like something else. So I tell them food is very good Brazilian.
Yes.
So you can try it. So really, it's good. Or
Yeah,
you
very
just-
good, very good.
So guys, with us right now, Chef Fernando. He's an executive chef from Fogueira restaurant. Chef, thank you very much for your time. It's a pleasure to
Thank you
have
so
you
much
on my
for
show.
coming in Fogueira restaurant.
Thank you, thank you. Chef, can you please tell us about this traditional Brazilian food, which is the first restaurant in UAE,
Yes.
I believe. So
This
what
is
you are
the-
serving here?
This is the first Brazilian restaurant in Dubai. This restaurant is traditional Brazilian barbecue.
Okay.
The difference is I use the rotative grill, similar a doner, but this coming down. The secret the Brazilian grill is the all fat, continue shower
Okay.
the meat and come more tasty, more soft.
Okay.
This Fogueira have now 17 cut the meat.
Mashallah, more than 17 cut.
Yes, shrimps, chicken, lamb, all different beef, ribeye, strip loin.
This is guys, let me tell you, this is everything you will enjoy in the buffet. Different kind of meat, you have seafood, red meat, white meat, all kind of meat they are serving, and grilled pineapple as well.
Yeah,
I
grilled
see.
pineapple with cinnamon and sugar.
Yeah. Thank you, chef. Thank you very much. You would like to say something to the people will visit to you?
No, thank you so much. Coming for Fogueira. Fogueira every day now have good promotions. Ladies night, Tuesday gents night, 50% discount.
Okay.
and test the all food, dessert, salad.
Thank you, chef. Thank you.
Thank you
very
so much.
So nice. We will finish today vlog here. It was a good experience. It was a good food and everything. It was good. We will recommend to you the good restaurant, good food wherever there is in UAE available. We will bring on my channel and you will enjoy. And do check out this restaurant. I will put the location in the description. Thank you very much for watching. Allah Hafiz.